This question came from one of our viewers. Can my dog be euthanized without my permission? It's a difficult and emotional question, but one that deserves a clear and honest answer. Whether a dog can be euthanized without an owner's consent depends on where you live, what happened, and how local laws treat the situation. I'm Kevin O'Flaherty from O'Flaherty Law. For many of us, our pets are our family. That's why it's so important to understand what the law allows and what you can do to protect your dog if something unexpected happens. In most cases, your dog cannot be euthanized without your permission, but there are some exceptions. For example, if your dog is seriously injured or gravely ill and brought to a vet and they can't reach you in time, some states allow the vet to make the decision to prevent further suffering. These situations are rare, but they can happen if the animal is in distress and time is critical. Another exception involves shelters or animal control. If your dog is picked up as a stray and remains unclaimed for a certain period, often just a few days depending on your state, the shelter may legally be allowed to euthanize the dog. That's why having up-to-date tags and a microchip is so important. Dangerous or aggressive behavior is also a factor. If your dog attacks someone or is labeled a dangerous animal by a court, animal control may have the legal right to put the dog down for public safety, especially if there's a history of similar incidents. Finally, in cases of reported abuse or neglect, authorities may remove the dog from the home. If the dog is found to be suffering and treatment isn't an option, euthanasia might be considered as a last resort. So what can you do to prevent this? First, microchip your dog and make sure their collar tags are current. Second, know the local rules about aggressive dog behavior, and most importantly, act quickly if your dog is taken by animal control or ends up in a shelter. Time is critical. The faster you respond, the better chance you have to protect your pet and bring them home safely. In most cases, your dog can't be euthanized without your permission, but in emergencies or if the animal is unclaimed or poses a threat, exceptions may apply. If something like this happens, contact your local shelter or animal control right away and speak with an attorney if you believe your rights are being violated. If you have questions or need legal advice, give us a call. We're here to help. And if you want to learn more about legal rights, the next video on your screen can help you dive deeper. Take care.